Together, they venture into the heart of the jungle, where the symphony of the wild envelops them. Alex and John venture deeper into the jungle's embrace, where nature's artistry unfolds in a symphony of color and sound. Amidst the vibrant flora, a toucan is perched high in the canopy, a vivid splash of color against the emerald leaves. With focused intent, Alex halts to unfurl an ancient map, its secrets promising to unveil the path to forgotten wonders. Alex speaks with conviction. According to this, the ancient ruins should be just beyond the waterfall. John listens intently, his eyes reflecting a mix of excitement and
I just created this awesome kids video using just a single prompt, and as you guys just saw, it looks absolutely incredible. Now you can also leverage AI to create stunning kids videos like this easily. Now previously, to generate a video like this, you had to write a script, then generate voiceover, then generate the images and videos. It was too much work, and most importantly, you had to use 6 to 7 different tools to create the video, which would have cost you up to $80. But no need to worry, because today I am going to show you a tool that does it all for you. You can use this tool to create all kinds of videos, from cinematic to adventure to anime, and the best part is, it has the ability to have a consistent character throughout your video. And here is the best part. You can create videos that are up to 30 minutes long, and the videos that you generate are completely monetizable on YouTube. I am going to show you everything in detail, so make sure you pay very good attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, the tool we will be using today is called Magic Light. This tool is literally going to make content creation really easy for you guys. Just watch the video until the end and you will understand why this tool is called Magic Light. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see generations by other users. You can go through some of the videos to get some inspiration if you want. And as you can see, the videos look awesome. Now, let's create some videos and see how good this tool is. So I will click Story to Video, and it will take you to this interface. Now, this is where all the magic happens. Now, from this section, you can select the video style that you want. As you can see, it has so many different video styles, from Disney to Ghibli to realistic. You can go with the style that you want. Now, here's something interesting. If you click on this template section, from here, you will be able to see some ready-to-use viral video templates. As you can see, it has a few options to choose from. Now, with this feature, you can just choose a template and quickly create high-quality content that can go viral. Let's choose one template. Let's go with this one. So I will click on it, and from here, you can see a preview of the template. And let me tell you guys, these kinds of videos are going absolutely viral. Next, you need to click on Use Template, and the AI will start to automatically add the cast for your video. You can change the characters if you want. For now, I will stick to these characters. Then click on Next, and let the AI do its magic. And here it is. As you can see, it has automatically created all of the scenes and also turned them into videos, and they look absolutely stunning. But most importantly, you can see that the characters are perfectly consistent, which is just amazing. Now, you can go through each scene if you want and make changes, but for me, it looks perfect, so I will click on Next. Now, here you can select the cover image and header title if you want, and for the subtitle, it doesn't have any voiceover, so I will click on None. And for the background music, you can choose one from here. After that, click on Generate, then select the aspect ratio and video quality, and click on Generate, and it will start putting everything together. Once it's done, you can download the video from here, and here is the final result. Wow, what a touching story. You see how easy that was to create? Now you can also use these templates and create amazing viral content for YouTube. And now let me show you how I created the video I showed you in the beginning. First, click on Story to Video. Next, you need to select the desired aspect ratio and video language. Now you need to choose the video style. You can go with the one you like. I will go with Disney style. Next, we need to give it a prompt so that it can write the script and plan the scenes for us. I want to create a kid's adventure story, so I will be giving it this prompt. Next, from here you can choose the video length. I will go with 3 minutes and click on Next. Now it will start analyzing our prompt and then create the scene draft. Now, as you can see, it has created these scene drafts with the narration for each shot. Isn't this awesome? Now you can go through the scenes and make sure everything is okay, or you can make some tweaks if you want. I am happy with what it has created, so I will click on Next, and it will take you to the cast page. Now you can leave it to AI if you want, or you can manually choose your cast. Let's do it manually. So click on it, and you will be able to see all the available characters. You can choose from these options, or you can create your own from here. I will go with this one, and for the second character, let's go with this one. Once your characters are ready, click on Next and let it generate all the images for the scenes with consistent characters. And here it is. As you can see, it has created all the scenes with the images and they look awesome. But most importantly, you can see that the characters remain consistent throughout the video, which is very, very important to create an engaging video. Now you need to go through each scene and make sure they look good. If you want to change a particular scene, then you can select it and click on this regenerate button to create a new image for the scene. It's really easy. Now, once you are happy with all the images for your scenes, it is time to animate them. To animate a scene, you can select it and then click on this animate button. Now you can animate each scene one by one, or you can just animate all of them together. I like to do it one by one because it gives me more control. Next, for the animation model, you can choose the one you like. I will go with Kling because in my opinion, it's the best image to video generator. Now for the prompt, you can leave it to AI or you can give it a custom prompt. I will go with custom, then click confirm. And for the prompt, I will write this very simple prompt and click on confirm and let the AI do its magic. And here is the output. As you can see, the video looks absolutely stunning. As I told you, Kling AI never disappoints. Now all you need to do is animate each and every scene accordingly. Now that will take some time, but it's totally worth it. Once you are done with the videos, you can change the voice character if you want from here. Now, since this is a kid's story, let's go with a kid's voice. I will choose this one. And now finally, we are ready to export, so click on Next. Then choose the cover image and heading if you want. Then choose subtitle style and background music and click on Generate. Once it's done, let's download it. And here is the final result.
At the jungle's edge, Alex and John pause, bathed in dappled sunlight filtering through the dense canopy above. With unrestrained enthusiasm, Alex points into the verdant depths, his excitement palpable. John adjusts his backpack, a subtle gesture that belies his apprehension as he eyes the unknown. Together, they venture into the heart of the jungle, where the symphony of the wild envelops them. Alex and John venture deeper into the jungle's embrace, where nature's artistry unfolds in a symphony of color and sound. Amidst the vibrant flora, a toucan is perched high in the canopy, a vivid splash of color against the emerald leaves. With focused intent, Alex halts to unfurl an ancient map, its secrets promising to unveil the path to forgotten wonders. Alex speaks with conviction. According to this, the ancient ruins should be just beyond the waterfall. John listens intently, his eyes reflecting a mix of excitement and anticipation, ready to face whatever lies ahead. Together, they resume their journey, drawn forward by the allure of the unknown and the promise of discovery. Alex and John arrive at the base of a breathtaking waterfall, its mist enveloping them. They cautiously navigate the slick rocks, the waterfall spray dampening their skin. A sudden rustling breaks the tranquility as a monkey appears, disrupting the calm. The monkey throws a coconut at him. John shouts, "Careful, Alex! These guys are mischievous!" Before the ancient ruins, Alex and John pause, the cascade of water veiling the secrets within. They step into the darkness, where vines grip the ancient stone, and the scent of damp earth fills the—
Wow, that was simply fantastic. I am telling you guys, Kids videos like this go absolutely viral on YouTube, and with Magic Light, you can create videos like this easily with just a few clicks. Now, once you sign up, they will give you some free credits to test everything, but if you really want to create amazing videos faster, then I will definitely recommend getting a subscription. As you can see, the price is also very reasonable, and it gives you unlimited generations with a commercial license. So go ahead and try this. I will put the link in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.